Welcome to the latest edition of AI in Healthcare and Digital Health, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Nature Machine Intelligence reports a 24-model evaluation on the 13,000-question KaBLE benchmark. Models struggled to separate belief from knowledge, especially for first-person false beliefs. GPT-4o fell from 98.2% to 64.4% on those items, while DeepSeek R1 dropped to 14.4%. Newer models hit about 95% on third-person false beliefs versus 62.6% on first-person, revealing attribution bias and inconsistent reasoning strategies. The authors say most models lack a robust grasp that knowledge requires truth. Eli Lilly expanded its XtalPi collaboration via subsidiary Ailux in a bispecific-antibody pact worth up to $345 million. Lilly will make double-digit million upfront and near-term payments, can nominate undisclosed target pairs, and may license Ailux's engineering platform for internal use. Insilico Medicine unveiled 8 oral cardiometabolic candidates from its Pharma.ai platform, including oral GLP-1 receptor agonists with improved safety and pharmacokinetics, a brain-penetrant NLRP3 inhibitor known as ISM8969, and programs against NR3C1, GIPR, Amylin, APJ, and lipoprotein A. 2 oral GLP-1 receptor agonists daily and once weekly are at or near preclinical candidate stage. Insilico cites 22 preclinical programs and 12 to 18-month discovery cycles, plus clinical assets rentosertib and ISM 5411. The American College of Cardiology partnered with OpenEvidence to embed ACC-sourced guidelines into generative AI decision support at the point of care. Plans include an expert work group, education materials, an AI resource center, and hands-on demos at ACC's Future Hub. CNBC reports investor Michael Burry alleges hyperscalers are inflating AI-era earnings by extending server useful lives, understating 2026 to 2028 depreciation by about $176 billion. He flagged potential 2028 impacts at Oracle and Meta, 27% and 21% respectively. CNBC could not independently confirm. Burry's filings showed puts against NVIDIA and Palantir as of September 30th, with notional values of $187 million and $912 million. According to a leaked draft summarized by Computerworld, the European Commission plans a digital omnibus to move cookies into GDPR via Articles 88A and 88B, shift many uses to opt out, enable browser-level consent signals, and allow AI training on personal data under legitimate interest with safeguards. It would narrow when data counts as sensitive and carve out consent rules for media. A new Pfizer job posting signals a PDURS Center of Excellence. The senior director will translate PDURS regulatory requirements into drug digital product, trial, and commercialization strategy, guide FDA engagement, and use cardiometabolic disease as a foundation for scale. Reports indicate OpenAI is exploring a consumer health assistant and data aggregator, following hires of Nate Gross as head of healthcare strategy and Ashley Alexander as VP of health products. At HLTH, the company highlighted very high weekly usage for health queries. No official comment on product plans. The American Medical Association launched the Center for Digital Health and AI to shape policy, drive workflow-ready tools, and train clinicians. AMA surveys find roughly 2/3 of physicians using AI-enabled tools in some form, with about a quarter still more concerned than excited. Stay ahead in AI in healthcare and digital health advancements. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.